Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your name in Brawl Stars game using your mobile device. When it comes to changing your name in Brawl Stars, you can change your name for free the first time. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars mobile game on your device and make sure that you are logged in with your Supercell ID. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From here, you will see your profile section, tap on your name at the top, and then click on the free button if available. You will only get one free name change. Use it wisely as future name change will cost you gems. So tap on the free button and write down a new name for yourself in the text box. Once done, click on continue. Repeat the new name once again in the next field, and there you have successfully changed your name on Brawl Stars. If you want to change your name again, you will need to wait for 3 days between the change, and you'll also need to spend gems for it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.